The Samsung Galaxy A36 is officially set to launch on March 15, 2025. The device is anticipated to feature a 6.64-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth and vibrant visuals. It will be powered by either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 or Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, ensuring efficient performance for multitasking and daily use. The phone will offer a triple camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, alongside a 12MP front-facing camera for high-quality selfies and video calls. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, the Galaxy A36 is designed to deliver a streamlined and user-friendly experience. It is expected to be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery with support for 25W fast charging, allowing for extended use with minimal downtime. With an expected price point aimed at budget-conscious users, the Galaxy A36 is positioned to be an appealing option in the mid-range market.